Hi traders, in this video I am going to be showing you how to set up and make use of the ATR ratio indicator for MT4. Okay, so the first step is to go to the Forex Geek website. You're going to see the link in the description. Once you click on the link, you're just going to come here and you click on this. It's going to automatically, start downloading. Okay, or of course you permit it to download, and then once you have it downloaded into your system, you add it to your indicators folder for your MT4. Once you're done with that, you come to your navigator, you just click on refresh. All right, and then we have to look for the ATR ratio indicator. Okay, we have it here. You just drag and drop to your chart. Now ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. As for the inputs, you can see the three customizable settings that we have here. This is for the short ATR, the long ATR, and the trig level, right? Depending on how you want the indicator to function, how you want it to respond to price changes, you can modify these values, okay? So basically, this indicator helps you to optimize your volatility analysis. Okay, it measures the relationship between price movement and the average true range, giving you a clearer picture of market volatility, momentum shifts, and potential breakout conditions. As you can see right here on the chart, when the indicator rises above this set value here, right, you can see this blue line. When the indicator rises above that blue line, it shows that there is a potential volatility increase, right? You might be, or momentum increase. You might be looking out for a notable move in price. These are just a few examples. You can see that when the indicator rose above this line, you can see from here this was initially a brief consolidation, and then we had a notable movement to the upside. The indicator is not direction specific. Okay, what I mean is whether it's a bullish move or a bearish move, is the same signal, right? You can see here now this was a bearish move, but it's the same signal. When the line crossed above this, when the red line crossed above the blue line, you can see that initially it was a brief consolidation, but then we had an increase in momentum, some level of volatility, and then you can see that the bearish move intensified, right? That was when the red line crossed above the blue line, and then here again we can see that it was another bearish move, right, that happened. And in this case, you can see that it was a bullish move right after this consolidation, although at this point the line was still coming down when we had this bullish move, right? So but in this case, you can see that it happened after this brief consolidation, and so on and so forth, right? So when you are using this indicator, pay attention to price action, pay attention to important key levels like support and resistance. Okay, it's always good to get confirmations. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, just like the video, and then of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are getting value from this channel. And if this is your first time, well, I would recommend that you subscribe, because there are a lot of valuable content on this channel, okay, so you don't miss out on more trading ideas. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.